Greetings, travelers. Welcome aboard this majestic airship, your chariot to the wonders of Middle-earth. I am Gandalf the Grey, your guide for this epic voyage. As we prepare to take flight, I implore you to lend me your ears. For a safe journey begins with heeding wise counsel. Our journey ahead is long, traversing over mountains high and valleys deep. Fear not the winds of change, for our skilled pilots and crew are well versed in navigating these aerial currents. They are the protectors of our journey, ensuring our safe passage through the skies. Before we set off on our grand adventure, we must attend to a few essential matters. Think of it as packing your travel pack, ensuring you have everything needed for a comfortable and safe expedition through the wondrous realms of Middle-earth. Now gather close and let us delve into the secrets of safe air travel, for even the smallest detail can make all the difference in this enchanting yet unpredictable world. First and foremost, remember that the crew are your allies on this journey. They are the keepers of knowledge, well versed in the ways of the sky. Just as a hobbit heeds the wisdom of a seasoned ranger, so too must you listen carefully to their instructions. Should you hear their call or see the illuminated signs above you, take heed. It is for your safety and well-being that they speak. Whether it be the fastening of seatbelts or the dimming of lights, their words are a beacon guiding you towards a secure and pleasant journey. Remember, even the bravest of warriors know when to follow orders. Your cooperation ensures not only your own safety, but also the well-being of your fellow travelers. Together we shall navigate the skies of Middle-earth as one. Now let us speak of those wondrous contraptions, the seat belts. Think of them as the sturdy harnesses of Rohan riders, keeping you secure upon your steed, even amidst turbulent skies. Fasten them low across your hips, ensuring a snug fit. When the call for securing your belt is sounded, be swift to respond. It is a simple act with the power to protect you from unexpected jolts and bumps along our aerial path. Just as a dwarf secures his treasure belt, safeguard yourself with this simple measure. And what of your precious belongings, you ask? Fear not. For beneath your very seat lies a secure compartment, much like a hobbit hole for your treasures. Stow them safely away, protected from any unexpected turbulence. Should we ascend to heights where the air thins, fear not, for we have enchantments in place. Golden masks, much like the elven cloaks that shimmer in the moonlight, will descend from above. Place this mask over your nose and mouth, drawing breath from its magical flow. Adjust the straps to fit snugly, ensuring no precious air escapes. Though the bag may not inflate visibly, trust that the breath of life flows freely within. And remember, should you be accompanied by little ones, secure your own mask first before assisting them. Now, let us speak of the brace position, a posture of preparedness should we encounter unexpected turbulence. Lean forward, much like a hobbit seeking shelter under a sturdy table. Place your hands on your head, elbows to the side, and rest your feet firmly on the floor. Beneath your seat, or nestled within the armrest, you shall find a life jacket, a garment as bright as the banners of Gondor. Should we encounter the need to disembark upon the waters, this enchanted vest will keep you afloat. Pull the red tab and watch as it inflates, becoming your beacon of hope. Mark well the location of the nearest emergency exits, those glowing gateways marked with runes of guidance. Count the rows to reach them, for in moments of haste, every second counts. Like a well-planned escape from the mines of Moria, knowing your route is paramount. And lastly, a word on the evils of smoke. Within the confines of this airship, smoking, be it leaf or pipeweed, is strictly forbidden. The air we breathe is precious, much like the air of Lothlorien, and we must keep it pure for all. So there you have it, brave travellers. Heed these words, and your journey through the skies of Middle-earth shall be as smooth as a freshly baked loaf of lembas bread. Now sit back, relax, and prepare to witness the wonders that await. Adventure awaits.